ComfyUI versus Stable Diffusion. Choosing the right interface can completely change how you create stunning visuals without the frustration of complex setups. Both options offer unique features that cater to different user needs. ComfyUI and Stable Diffusion are powerful tools for generating images, but they serve different purposes. ComfyUI focuses on user-friendly interfaces and customization, while Stable Diffusion emphasizes advanced image generation capabilities through AI. ComfyUI is an intuitive interface designed for users who want a straightforward approach to image generation. It simplifies the process, allowing users to create beautiful visuals without extensive technical knowledge. The platform offers various customization options, enabling users to adjust parameters easily and achieve desired results. ComfyUI's strengths lie in its user-friendly design and accessibility, making it ideal for beginners and casual creators. However, its limitations may include less advanced features compared to more technical platforms. Overall, ComfyUI is perfect for those looking for a seamless and enjoyable experience in generating images. Stable Diffusion is a robust image generation model that leverages AI to create high-quality visuals. It is designed for users who require more control and advanced capabilities in their creative projects. With Stable Diffusion, users can generate images from text prompts, allowing for greater flexibility in artistic expression. The platform excels in producing intricate and detailed visuals, making it a favorite among professional artists and developers. However, its complexity can be overwhelming for new users, as it may require a deeper understanding of the technology. Stable Diffusion is best suited for those who are comfortable with technical tools and seek to push the boundaries of their creative work. When comparing ComfyUI and Stable Diffusion, consider your goals and experience level. For a user-friendly experience, ComfyUI excels with its straightforward setup and easy customization options, making it ideal for beginners. On the other hand, Stable Diffusion offers advanced features that cater to experienced users who want to generate high-quality images from text prompts. If you're looking to create quickly and with minimal hassle, ComfyUI is the way to go. However, if you desire more control and intricate designs, Stable Diffusion is the better choice. Ultimately, your decision should align with your creative needs and technical comfort level. For those seeking ease of use and quick results, ComfyUI is highly recommended. If you are an experienced user looking for advanced features and greater creative control, Stable Diffusion is the ideal choice. Both tools have their strengths, so select the one that aligns with your creative vision